What is it?
What do you want?
What? You don't know? What do you want? Come on, tell me what do you want?
It's chicken?
You want chicken? Huh? What is it? What do you want? Come on, really, tell me what it is. No. What is it? What? Timber. What is it? What do you want? Do you want this piece of chicken? You want this piece of chicken? You do? No? Do you want the chicken? Yeah? Say, I want chicken. Really? What kind of chicken you want? Dead chicken? Timber, do you want chicken? What? You want it? You want this piece of chicken? Come on. Do you want that piece? No, don't. That's ranch. Do you want the ranch? You must want the ranch. Okay. Hey. Do you still want the chicken? No? You do or don't? Timber. Chicken? Chicken? Alright. No chicken for you. You told me you don't want it. You told me you don't want it. Do you want it? No? Is that a yes? Is that a yes?
Maggie, you just got to be there. She will jump up on face down.